Let me quickly show how to connect or create a lookup field in our enablement code object. I'm just going to create a field in the enablement code object that will be linked to an account field. This is a type of relationship field that joins two records in two different objects. I'm going over the account to show you how this field is going to be displayed on the user interface when we have created the field. It's just going to show up under the related list on the account record and not on the details, and also it's going to show up on the related list quick links. Going over our enablement code object, we can find here that we just have few fields, so we are going to navigate to the settings gear and directly edit the object because we are working directly on the object. Navigate to fields and relationship and then click new. Here we have all the data types, but for the purpose of this video we are going to be selecting the lookup relationship. If you go through the write-up that or the description that is linked to this lookup relationship, you understand better how it functions or how this field is going to behave after you have created it. It's just a connecting field. Now we click next, and then it brings out where we are going to select the object which we want this field to be related with. So we select account and select next. It's going to ask us the name which we want to give this field. Do you want it to be the primary name, which is account, or you want to change the naming convention? We go over the options and we see if we want to check the required fields and then read up on other behaviors, which are simple explanations of how it's going to behave when you select an option from this page. So we're just going to leave this at this and then next, which is going to show us the next page for the FLS, which is the field level security for profile. But again, we are not going to go over this for now. We are going to leave it at the default setting and select next so that we can click on save and then see how the field is going to behave. This is just the fields that are in the object, and you can see that the data type is lookup and is looking into accounts. So we go over to the user interface from the app launcher and we can navigate to the sales cloud, and then we can go to our enablement code object to review this field. We select the first object or the first record here and we see that account has been automatically populated here. When you edit this field, you are going to be able to select any account which you want to link to this record. But for now, let's go over to the account and see whether the field has been reflected or the relationship is reflecting in the account record. So when we go to the related here and we scroll down, we will see the latest addition of related list, which is the enablement code. You can create a new enablement code record from here, or you can go over to the related list quick links and create a new enablement code. But when you want to update an account on an enablement code, you have to go over to your enablement code object, select the record, and then we select the existing account. I mean an existing account, or we can create a new account for an enablement code record. So we are going to select this sample account here and we save it. Go over back into the account object and see how it's going to work, or we can directly click into the account object from this field here, which is the main or the primary purpose of a lookup relationship fields. Mind you, there are limitations to this field, but we are going to be talking about that when there is need for that. So for now, here we are in the account object and we are seeing the enablement code that is linked to this account using a lookup relationship, or we can directly click into the account from the enablement code object. Thank you. Please click like, subscribe, comment, and share.